Today, I'm going to show you how to write vertical text in Google Sheets. This is a fantastic feature when you need to save space in your spreadsheet or create visually appealing headers that stand out. Google Sheets actually offers 3 different ways to display vertical text, and I'll walk you through each one so you can choose the style that works best for your needs. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where you can see all your available files and documents. From the dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to write vertical text. This will open your Google Sheets file and bring you to the main editing interface where you can start making changes. Now here's where it gets interesting because Google Sheets gives you 3 distinct methods for creating vertical text. Let's start with the first option. Click on any cell in your spreadsheet, then look up at the toolbar at the top of the screen. You'll notice a text rotation icon that looks like the letter A with an arrow curving around it. Go ahead and click on that icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Stack Vertically. This is your first option for vertical text. Now try typing some text into the cell and hit Enter. You'll notice that your text is now stacked vertically with each letter placed directly above the next in a straight column. This style is perfect when you want to maintain readability while saving horizontal space. Next, let's explore the second method. Click the text rotation icon again and this time select Rotate Up. Type another piece of text into a cell and hit Enter. Now your text appears vertical but in a different orientation. The text rotates 90 degrees counterclockwise, creating a unique visual effect that works great for column headers. Finally, for the third option, click the text rotation icon one more time and select Rotate Down. Type some text into a cell and press Enter. This time the text is vertical but facing the opposite direction, rotated 90 degrees clockwise. This gives you complete flexibility in how you present your information. And that's it. You now have 3 powerful ways to create vertical text in Google Sheets, each serving different design and spacing needs. Experiment with all 3 to see which works best for your spreadsheet layout. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.